Let's explore Guide to Daily Jewelry Care. As we all know, jewelry is more than just an accessory. It is an indispensable part of your cherished story. However, even the most delicate jewelry can lose its luster over time due to wear and tear, environmental factors, or improper maintenance. For this reason, daily jewelry maintenance is essential to maintain its beauty and lasting. Only in this way can your beloved jewelry last forever. In this guide, we will share some practical steps to help you maintain the sparkling luster of your jewelry, master professional cleaning techniques, and the importance of regular maintenance. Let's dive into it together. 1. Keep it clean. Dirts, oils, and lotions can diminish your jewelry's sparkle after each wear. Lightly wipe your pieces with a microfiber cloth. For more thorough cleaning, use warm water with a small amount of mild soap, followed by a soft cloth without lint to dry, but always check specific jewelry care instructions for your metal or gemstone type. 2. Avoid exposure to chemicals, perfumes, hairsprays, and cleaning agents can erode metals or compromise gemstones and cause tarnish. So don't forget to apply beauty products before putting on jewelry, and remove pieces before using household chemicals. Protecting your pieces from harsh chemicals is a vital element of daily jewelry care. 3. Store properly. Tangled necklaces and scratched surfaces are avoidable. Store each piece separately in soft pouches or lined boxes. Rommler Jewelry offers elegant storage solutions designed to protect your treasures. This thoughtful storage solution not only preserves your item's appearance, but also makes it easier to keep track of them. 4. Put jewelry on last. Wearing jewelry should be your final step. Putting on jewelry after cosmetics application can limit exposure to makeup products and decrease residue accumulation. 5. To remove during physical activities, exercise, swimming, or gardening. Putting aside your jewelry when exercising or performing demanding tasks keeps your pieces safe from damage and wear. Cleaning techniques for different metals. 1. Gold and gold-plated jewelry. Dilute mild dish soap with warm water. The soaking time should be about 15 minutes, followed by soft brush scrubbing and rinsing before drying the pieces. The use of abrasive cleaning agents should be avoided since they gradually erode the gold plating on items. Each piece should be placed in a protective soft pouch or lined box to shield it from scratches and to keep it safe from chlorine and cleaning agents. 2. Silver jewelry. The reaction of silver with sulfur in air and moisture causes quick tarnishing when silver comes into contact with these elements. A specific silver polishing cloth should be used when dealing with light tarnish. To remove heavy oxidation, create a baking soda paste with water, then rinse it off and finish with dry cloth buffing. Routine use of silver items protects against tarnishing because the natural skin oils act as a polishing agent. 3. Platinum jewelry. Platinum stands out for its longevity yet still needs periodic cleaning. Platinum maintains durability well, yet the material sometimes creates a patina effect. First, clean your jewelry with soap water AP, then rinse it off before applying a polishing cloth to restore its shine. Platinum requires storage in conditions that avoid both extreme temperatures and high humidity. Cleaning techniques for various gemstones. 1. Diamonds. Despite their strength, diamonds have a natural tendency to absorb oil. Dip your necklaces and bracelets into warm, soapy water for 30 minutes, while earrings require 45 minutes because they can accumulate more dirt and grime in hard-to-reach areas before gentle scrubbing and rinsing. 2. Precious gemstones. Gemstones such as sapphires, rubies, and emeralds tend to be more fragile than diamonds. Appropriate cleaning solutions should be used and soaking time should be limited. It is best to check the specific jewelry care instructions for each gemstone to avoid accidental damage. 3. Delicate gemstones. The care required for stones like opals and pearls reaches an extreme level. Never submerge organic gems. After wearing pearls, you should wipe them with a damp cloth, while keeping opals in a dark place to avoid cracking. To preserve opal hydration during storage, it is recommended to place them in a damp cloth. 1. Inspecting for damage. Check clasps, prongs, and chains monthly. Loose settings can lead to lost stones. Early detection of these issues can prevent further damage and save you costly repairs later on. 2. Repolishing and replating. Over time, scratches or faded plating can occur. Professional regular jewelry maintenance, like rhodium plating for white gold or repolishing services, restores pieces to their original glory. Elevate your collection with Romular jewelry. Whether you're looking for specific jewelry care instructions or seeking regular jewelry maintenance tips, we at Romular Jewelry are here to support you on this journey to lasting beauty and sophistication.